So for this project, I started with two 8 by 6 inch laser cut wood ornaments that I had picked up at Hobby Lobby. They were $2.99 for two. All Christmas is half off, so they were $1.50, so that means they were 75 cents each. I used the paint pen markers that you see up at the top of the screen. They're oil based, and I colored both of the ornaments. And then I took glitter glue, green, red, and gold, and painted on top of the colors, the paint pen markers. And then for the white, I had to use clear Elmer's glue and mix some white glitter in it because I didn't have the white glitter glue. And so in the end, what I ended up doing was painting both of the ornaments with the paint pen markers, front and back, but I only put the glitter glue on the front of both of the ornaments. And the reason being, I'm going to put tape on the other side, and I want it to be able to adhere. I'm afraid the glitter glue will just get all messed up or won't allow it to adhere very well. So now the back and the front of both of them are colored, and there's glitter on the front. So on the back, I'm putting what we call resin tape. This is used a lot for UV resin. It's translucent so that the UV rays can get it from the back and the front. And originally I was going to do this one with regular resin and the other with UV resin, and I ended up doing them both with with the regular epoxy resin. I was afraid because of what I was putting in the resin that the UV light wouldn't penetrate it, but I'm kind of thinking that maybe I could have. So anyway, what I did was I mixed up some resin. The resin I'm using for this project is Let's Resin. It's a 1-to-1 ratio resin that you mix slowly in a cup for 3 minutes, scraping the sides, scraping the bottom. And for the first one, I actually mix a large, chunky black and silver glitter in with the resin. Brand name is Recollections from Michaels. And then I just carefully pour it into all the little open areas in there. And in some areas I put a little too much, and I'm using this little pipette to squeeze some of the resin back out and put it in other areas because I don't want it to overflow. And then when that's done, I just set it aside. And for the second one, what I'm using is of course the same resin, Let's Resin, and this time I'm using the large chunky blue glitter with silver. I just want to see which one I like better. Again, carefully putting it into all the open areas and using the pipette if I use too much resin to squeeze a little bit of the resin out. And then I set this one aside to dry overnight. And this is the next day, and boy, they turned out so pretty and glittery. And what I'm doing is I'm just going to go ahead and take the tape off the back. There's a couple of little pieces of chunky glitter that's stuck on the some of the words that I took off with the toothpick. But here I am taking the tape off of the back, and in some areas a little bit of the resin I think may have seeped underneath the tape and gotten on like the Christmas trees and that, but it's still fine. But isn't that pretty? It is so sparkly. And then here's the other one. This is the one with the black and the silver, and I'm just taking the tape off of that, and it looks so pretty. It looks as pretty from the back as it does from the front. I just love the way it turned out. And then all I'm doing here is flipping it over on the back, because you remember originally I had just glittered the front because I wanted the tape to be able to securely sit on the back without any leakage. And so I did not put any glitter on the back. So now I'm putting the glitter on the back. And again, I had to go over the gold a little bit with the gold paint pen. I think the tape took some of it off, and I think a little bit of resin may have seeped under there also. So again, I'm just using the green, red, and gold glitter glue and going over a couple areas that kind of changed color either because of the tape or the resin, and then just redoing it with glitter. And I'm just going to let this dry overnight. Hey everyone. So these turned out so pretty and so sparkly. And I don't know, I think I like the blue better. I think everything around it shows up better. But regardless, they're both so pretty and so easy to do, and 75 cents each. I can't believe it. They're so cute, and I hate painting, so those paint markers worked out really well. And they're oil-based. Now, the deer on the back of one of it ran a little bit. I was kind of surprised, but that was the only color that ran. A little bit of resin, I think, seeped behind. That one I think is the prettiest. A little bit of resin, I think, seeped behind that tape. And that was the main reason I didn't want to put the glitter on the back, was I was afraid it wouldn't make a really good seal on the back. But a tiny bit did seep under, but it didn't hurt anything. And these are so cute. So you can you could display these in a little holder like that. I guess you could hang it on your tree, or this is called a shepherd's hook. You could put it on like that. I think it's so cute. So anyway, and I don't remember where I got these shepherd's hooks from. I'm gonna have to look them up on Amazon. I know I didn't get them on Amazon. And the only reason I knew the name was because the tag was still on it. I had it shoved in with all my little holders. But anyway, this turned out really cute. Like I said, you could use either of those to display. And I don't know, what do you guys think? Which one do you like better, the black one or the blue one? They're both cute. 75 cents a piece. I thought those were so cute. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. That really helps the channel. I think my camera's a little crooked there. And if you enjoy the channel, go ahead and subscribe. You'll be notified when new videos come out. We got the Facebook page going. A lot of people displaying their art, a great place to ask questions. And I hope you all have a great day. Thanks for watching.